Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Exness trading app for beginners. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly start using Exness here, especially if you're a beginner. Well, the first thing that you may want to know here is you need an account in order for you to start using the platform. Now, I'm assuming here you don't have an account yet. So what you need to do is you want to go to exness.com here and you just need to click on register. Now, inside the register page here, you will need to provide certain details about yourself, like your country or region of residence, your email address that you want to use, and the password that you want to use in here. Now, also, you need to declare your information that confirm that you are not a citizen or resident of the U.S. for tax purposes here. And also, you could use Google here just in case you don't want to manually create your account. Now, obviously, they will ask you further details about yourself, like your birthday and a lot of personal details, just to confirm your identity. Now, once you have created your account, this is what you should be seeing. Now, this is the personal area for Exness, which in this case, this is where you will be able to start managing whichever details like your accounts, your personal information, your performance, your history of orders. So the first thing that you may want to do here is you want to open an account. Now, if you click on the right side here that says open account, you should be able to see an option here to create an account. Now, depending on what you want to create, you can create a real account or a demo account. So if you want to practice, you go and choose demo, click on open account, and you can go and choose whichever account that you want to open, like it's standard, cent, pro, raw speed, or even zero. Now, once you click on continue, you should be able to create your account and you should now be able to start trading. Now, before we proceed on the trading page here or the trading area, I'll be discussing a few things here just so that you know where to go, just in case you need some information or some data here to see how you are doing. Now, if you click on performance at the left panel here, this is where you'll be able to see your current performance, your net profit, your close orders, your trading volume, and a lot more. Now, if you want to see only a specific account, you can go and choose one in here. Now, if you want to see your history, you can go and click on history of orders, and you should be able to see all the orders that you've done before. Now, you could also filter this by specific date if you want to. Now, if you want to access the Exness terminal here, you can go and click on it, and this will open up the web trade or the web terminal for Exness, which you should be able to start trading here. But then again, let's go and go back here. So yeah. Next is we have the wallets and payments and wallet section. Now, this is where you'll be able to start depositing money. So as you can see, deposit. Now, obviously, you may need to complete or further provide details about yourself in order for you to start to make your first deposit. Now, if you want to withdraw from your accounts, you can go and choose withdrawal here, and you can go and choose whichever way you want to withdraw. Now, depending on where you are or your current country, the options or the withdrawal method here may be different for you. So go ahead and choose one that is actually most convenient for you. Now, you also have your transaction history for your wallet. So if you want to see what if you've deposited or withdraw here, this is where you'll be able to see your history. Then if you want to see your crypto wallet, you should be able to see it in the crypto wallet here. Now, if you want to transfer or receive cryptocurrencies on Exness, this is how you do it. So if you want to withdraw, deposit, or even transfer. Now, if you want to view analytics here, so this is where you'll be able to see different information, how you're doing as well. So this is like more of an in-depth view of how it's doing, like forex, crypto, stocks, indices, commodities here. So if you want to like start trading or just see how it's actually doing as of right now. Now, if you want to see market news, you go and choose market news in here, and you can also visit the economic calendar here. So just to see what's currently happening right now, so the current events and how that affected the forecast or the current exchange right now. As you can see, that's a great way for you to see how it's actually flowing or how the certain pairs are actually moving around. Now, if you want to visit the Exness benefits here, this is your trading conditions, your savings, your virtual private server, if you want to do that. And if you want to use copy trading, you have the copy trading section here, which again, you could go and just discover different strategies here and your current strategies if you want. Now, if you want to support or start supporting or if you want to have receive support on your account, this is how you do it. So you need assistance if you want to contact their live chat, or if you still need help, and you could go ahead and call their hotline here if you want. Now, also, this is where you'll be able to see different tickets that you've actually opened. So just in case you are having problems with withdrawals or deposits, this is where you'll be able to see your tickets. And also, if you go to settings here, this is where you'll be able to see or update your profile information, your security, update your password, something like that, and also your trading terminal. But now, how do we start trading? Now, in order for you to start trading, you want to go to the My Account section here, and you just need to click on the trade button that you are going to see in your accounts. Again, make sure to choose one that you want to use. So sometimes if a certain account is inactive, it will be archived. So if you want to restore them, you could go and click on restore. But yeah, for now, let's go and choose demo here, and let's go and click on trade. Now, you can go and choose either the Exness terminal or MetaTrader 5 here if you want. But for now, let's go and choose Exness terminal. Now, inside the Exness terminal, this is where you'll be able to start trading. Now, at the top right is how much you currently have. Now, you can also switch to different accounts or even top up if you want to. Current balance, equity, margin. Now, you also hide your balance if you want, or even switch an account. Now, in here, there are like 3 major things that you need to understand. So the center here, this is going to be the chart. So to move around the chart, you just need to press the following button. So if you press and hold on shift and start scrolling here, it will basically scroll left and right. So depending on how you're scrolling. Now if you press and hold on controller and keyboard, this will actually zoom in into the chart. Now if you choose Alt or press and hold on Alt, this will basically start zooming in, as you can see, but it makes things a lot bigger. It's quite similar to control, but the thing with Alt, it also zooms out so that you could also see previews or a lot of a bigger view of what's happening right now. So yeah, so in here you also have different tools, like if you want to add like certain, let's just say a trend line here, ray, info line. So there are different tools here to help you determine or forecast what's going to happen. So if you want to like make analysis, this is how you do it. Now at the right side, this is your form. So this is how you buy and start selling here. So you could choose from market and pending for the regular form, but you could also choose the one-click form and the risk calculator form here. Depends on what you need. Now at the left side here, this is how you see your current symbols, the instruments. So for example, if you want to see a certain trading pair, so you have like a certain way for you to see in general, because currently I'm just viewing the Bitcoin and US dollar, but what if you want to monitor what's currently happening right now for, let's just say, USD and JPY or Japanese yen, so you could go and view that. Now, if you click on the plus button at the very top here, these are the different trading pairs here. So again, this is BTC and US dollar, as you can see right now. But if you want to see like, let's just say Euro and USD, you go and click on it and see the chart for it. Now, if you want to add a different trading pair here, you could go and click on the plus button and you can go and just choose whichever you need. As you can see here now, I was able to add it. Not to remove it, go and click on the X button you see at the top right of your screen. Now, at the left side, this is how you see your instruments. So if you want to like see what's currently happening right now. If you choose economic calendar, it's pretty much the same thing that what we saw before. What's currently happening, different news, or how it affected the current flow right now, or the charts. Now, if you want to access your settings, is how you enable price alerts, signals, and impacts, and a lot more. Now, by the way, speaking of alerts, if you go to the top right here, you notice like there are like 4 sections. So if you click on the alarm clock here, it should give you the option to create an alert. So basically, if a certain threshold is reached, like if Euro or USD reaches a certain peak or dip, it will alert you on those certain interactions or what currently happened. Now, if you want to see your notifications, this is where you should be able to see your different alerts and different information or notifications that you may be receiving. Now, if you click on the dotted icon here, this is where you'll be able to access the personal area if you want to access the public website or even like visit the partnership website. Now, if you click on your profile here, this is where you'll be able to see the support section. And if you want to suggest a feature, like you already improve Exness here, you could go ahead and do that. And if you want to sign out, this is how you do it. And finally, if you want to deposit, you go and click on deposit at the top right here. And again, you can go and top up to a demo account or deposit on your real account. That depends on what you need. But yeah, so those are the basics in order for you to get started with Exness trading. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.